Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a quick impact logo or icon animation in Premiere Pro, as you can see on the screen. So, let's get started. Alright, now we are inside Premiere Pro. As you can see on the timeline, I have got a sample logo and a background. You can use any logo or icon. Also, I have got an impact sound effect. First of all, let's select the logo from the timeline. Then, move over to the Effect Controls panel to create animation. Let's move the time indicator to the beginning of the logo. And then, we have to click on this stopwatch icon of the scale to create a keyframe. Next, let's make the scale value around 1111. After that, move the time indicator 5 frames forward. And then, here we have to make the scale value around 50. In the next step, let's right-click on this second keyframe, and then, click on Bezier. Again, let's move the time indicator to the beginning of the logo. And then, we have to click on this stopwatch icon of the opacity panel to create a keyframe. Next, we have to make the opacity value around 0%. After that, move the time indicator 1 frame forward. And now, we have to make the opacity value around 100%. Alright, now we are done. Our quick logo impact animation is ready. Let's preview. It looks great. By the way, you can change the rotation value of the logo. I am going to make the rotation value of the logo around -24.2 degrees. Now you can see the changes on the program monitor. In the last step, I am going to add an impact sound effect. Let's move over to the project panel. And then, drag and drop this impact sound effect to the timeline. Alright, now we are done. Let's preview. In this way, you can create a quick impact logo animation in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video and leave a comment.